2, let's do 3, 2, and then 1.4, 6, 7, 5. Sorry, I gave you 6 minutes. Alright, so once again, you're going to be deciding, you're going to be analyzing some of Bud's rules, and you're going to be deciding whether those rules are meant to help him survive or thrive. What I want in front of you right now is this sheet of paper that you got. Some of you may have used something similar to this before. I want you to put this sheet of paper in front of you because we're going to analyze, or we're going to define the 2 words that your essay is going to be about. Survive and thrive. In this piece of paper, you're going to see 2 different word boxes. On the first one, I want you to write survive. On the second one, I want you to write thrive. We're going to talk about survive first. So the first word is survive. On the count of 3, say survive. 1, 2, 3. Survive! Let's try that one more time in a professional college voice. 1, 2, 3. Survive! Alright, to survive is to live or exist in spite of danger. So even though there is danger, to survive means that you are living through that danger. So we're going to write that definition here. To survive is to live or exist in spite, or I'm going to write in spite or even though there is danger. To survive is to live or exist in spite of, or even though there is danger. Alright, so let me give you an example. A few years ago, when I went to college at San Jose State, I was on my way to school. I was on I was on a 280. And a car behind me rear-ended me, right? And I was not that hurt, except for my neck. It hurt a little bit afterwards. But that was a really dangerous situation because I was in a car accident on the freeway. But even though it was so dangerous, I survived. I lived through it. It was dangerous and I lived through it, right? Another example is, you all read Dragging Wings? Do you remember Moonshadow was living in San Francisco during the 1909 earthquake? So many buildings were falling down. A lot of people lost their lives. But he did not. He survived that earthquake. He lived through it. Even though it was a dangerous activity, a dangerous experience, he survived. What I want you to do now is just talk to the person in front of you, and if you're in a team of 3, just talk together. Tell them about a time that you, someone you know, or someone you read about, survived something, okay? You're going to tell them about a time that you, someone you know, or someone you read about, survived something. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Raise your hand if you'd like to share your example. Please make sure that you use our vocab word, which is on the count of 3. What is our vocab word? Survive! Again, 1, 2, 3. Survive! Sheila. Sheila.
My uncle survived a car crash, and because he was drunk.
Okay. What else? Diego. Which one?
Diego.
Your dad survived when he fell off the ladder. Anyone else? Did anyone write a sentence about someone that they read about, or maybe a movie? Reina? Yeah, Katniss Everdeen from the Hunger Games. She survived the Hunger Games. What else? Emmanuel? Yeah, Miracle from Heaven. Alright, so this is what I want you to do now. Right beneath the definition, I want you to write your sentence. Make sure you use your vocab word, which is what on the count of three. 1, 2, survive. What is a synonym? Can someone remind me? Lily? Yeah, so a synonym is a word that means the same thing. So what are other words that mean to survive? Reina? Live? You said stay alive. Anyone else? Anything else? Dylan?
Underline.
How about to exist?
Oh, yes.
Is that what you were going to say?
This is an adjective.
You didn't say what?
Antonyms.
Oh. Well, let's move on to antonyms then. What is the, if you don't survive through something, what happens? The antonym for survive. Yeah, be that.
Yeah, that's right.
Anything else? Pass away.
Bye-bye.
I can't hear people because people are still talking. Sarah, Rena. Gone. Donovan? Right? Go. Alright, let's move on to our second word. Our second word is thrive. Ariana? On the count of 3, say thrive.
Thrive.
1, 2, 3.
Thrive.
To thrive is to grow or develop really well. So we're going to write our definition. To thrive is to grow